Good afternoon. It is September the 29th, end of the week, end of the month, end of the quarter. Let's start with our disclaimer. Hypothetical simulated performance results have certain limitations, unlike an actual performance record. Simulated results do not represent actual trading. Also, since the trades have not been executed, the results may have been overcompensated for the impact of any of certain market factors, such as lack of liquidity. Simulated trading programs in general are also subject to the fact that they're designed with the benefit of hindsight. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profit or losses similar to those shown. Okay, we came into today with a recommendation to buy 25.05. The low was 475. We said to hold it, disappear, at least through lunch, in anticipation of new contract highs. An hour ago we said looking for a close in the 25.14 area, and it could be higher than that. So we hit. It's just you're just not going to get any better than that. We were a tick inside of that low, so again you have access to superior information. Here, anything to the long side with patience today worked up until right there. 1 o'clock Eastern. So again, my point, or the point being, is that we do know what we're talking about, and we do know where support and resistance are. Most of the time we get the direction right. And if you get the direction right, everything else tends to fall into place. F1 is going to show buying. F2 is going to show buying and a strong close. The selling can start Sunday night in London, end of the quarter. So I'd look for a little softness next week, maybe some shorts can develop. So if the market were to close right here, right now, we'd be failure to take out and hold 25.15. I think we're headed for 25.25. So the next structural sell will be 25.24.50 or better. Then 19s to 21s for sell 2. On the buy side, buying 25.10 plus or minus. 25.05 for buy 2. Looking at the note, today was a pause day. We figured that. Market's still in a sell mode. Stock market's going up. Economy's going to get stronger. No need to own bonds. And interest rates are going higher. So today, higher low, higher high. Market F1 says we can buy it. F2 will show a different story. Definitely a B. So last rotate up was at 13.5, and end period at 10.5. So we'll sell 11s to 15s, 19s to 23s. On the buy side, 1 to 5, and then 25 to 29 for buy 2. Stops below 125's the play. Okay, last rotate up in the bond was 28, so 28 the buck is 1, 3 to 7's S1, 11 to 15 S2. On the buy side, 16 to 20 number 1, 9 to 13 buy 1, 29 to 01 buy 2. Let them get stops below 152. The news on Monday is Chicago Fed National Activity Index. It's the golden week for China, so their markets are closed. Looking at gold. Higher low, higher high. F1 says it can rally. F2 is not going to show the same picture. Definitely a B. So 88s to 90s, sell 1. 93, 95, sell 2. 80 to 82, buy 1. 75, 77, buy 2. Looking at crude. Trying to sell, but an inside day. That's his trading range. Definitely a B, trying to break. So 51, 51 and a quarter, buy 1. 50, 50, 50, 75, buy 2. On the sell side, 51, 75, 52, sell 1. 52 and a quarter, 52, 50, sell 2. We got a trading range of 51 minus, 53 plus right now. And the euro. Higher low, higher high. Find a place to buy it on F1. Interesting shape profile right there. Inside the congestion area, TPOs are a B, volume is a P. Wouldn't take much to get it to a D. So a little bit higher. Got a pretty clean break here at 85.90. So selling 90 to the buck, sell 1. 9.15, 9.25, sell 2. On the buy side, 118.50, buy 1. 118.25, buy 2. I don't remember how Golden Week affects the markets. I think it just kind of slows everything down a little bit. But I don't know for sure. We're going to find out next week. Add another little bit layer of knowledge to what impacts the market, putting stuff into context. And that's it for this September the 29th, 2017. I will see you bright and early Monday morning. Been a long week. I'm out of here.